Welcome to Neena's Thai Kitchen. Today's episode of Ranch Recipe Series. We're going to make Korean seafood and scallion pancake. I like the international cuisine, and Korean is one of them. Whenever my family go to a Korean restaurant, we must order seafood pancake because it's my husband's favorite. And of course, I have to learn how to cook it. And actually, it's very easy and simple. That's why I would like to share it with you today.
First, super easy dipping sauce. One of the key ingredients is gochujang, the Korean chili paste. Just mix all the ingredients together and that's it. We are done. There are three kinds of ingredients: vegetable, seafood, and pancake batter. I have both scallion and chive. Chive has a flat leaf and offer more aroma. We're just gonna cut about 2 inches length. For scallion, if it's too big, we can cut half first. I love to add carrots just for the color. If you like it spicy, you can add the slices of jalapeno. We need only 1 cup of vegetable, so it's your preference, chive or scallion. For seafood, this is my preference. I prefer small prawns and cut it half lengthways. For squid, I cut it small as well, so it's easy to be cooked. Next is octopus legs. I cut it shorter so it's easy to eat. Pancake batter. I'm going to show you how to make it yourself first. Starting from 1 egg, icy cold water, all-purpose flour, garlic powder, cornstarch, salt. Mix it well together. Add chive and seafood, but I will keep prawns separately. I will add it when I fry it. Another option is using Korean pancake mix. Mix the pancake mix with icy cold water with the same ratio. I use 3/4 cup for each of them, and then add scallion and seafood, but I will keep the prawns to put it later. Now it's time to fry our pancake. I use non-stick pan and the size is 11 inches diameter. At high heat, add 2 tablespoons cooking oil. Add batter and press it into a pancake about 1/3 inch thick. Try to distribute veggie and seafood evenly. Place the prawns onto the top before the batter is set. After the first minute, slide the pancake around to distribute the oil evenly at the bottom. Reduce to medium heat and fry for another 2 to 3 minutes. You can check at the bottom to see how crispy you want. I always want it very crispy. Flip over to the other side. You can do it by pushing the pan to the front and push it back right away, but it needs practice. If you don't know how, you can use a tool spatula. You can try. It's challenging. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil and slide the pancake around to get the oil to the bottom. And fry this side to another 2 to 3 minutes. Press it by spatula to make sure that the other side cook evenly. It's done. Outside looks so crispy and inside is still soft.
Here. How does it look? I'm going to cut it this way. Basically.
It's my pancake day. Yum, yum, yum.
That's it for the episode of Ranch Recipe. What would you like us to cook next? Please comment below, and I see you next time. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and share to your friends. Bye!
Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next recipe. Thank you.